aromatic hydrocarbon. In this chapter we can cover the introduction of benzene, the method of preparation of benzene and its chemical reactions. So let us start with the introduction. During the earlier stage of development of organic chemistry, a large number of pleasant smelling organic compounds were isolated from natural sources such as resins, oil of cloves and oil of cinnamon. All these compounds possess pleasant odor and called aromatics. The aromatics arise from the Greek word aroma, which means fragrance. So mostly these compounds having pleasant smell. Further, the examination of these compounds reveal that they closely resemble with hydrocarbon, that is benzene, which have found to have ring structure involving 6-member ring. As with time, term aromatic lost its original significance and now applied to benzene and all other compounds that resemble in benzene in chemical behavior. Further, it may be pointed out that certain compounds that possess aromatic property do not contain a benzene rings. However, their structure is similar to benzene in electronic distribution. Therefore, they are divided into two categories. The first one is the aromatic compound which contains at least one benzene ring and they are termed as benzoates. For these various aromatic hydrocarbon which will contain at least one benzene ring, they are the benzoate, and other compound that exhibit aromatic character but do not contain benzene ring termed non-benzoate compound. So these are the various hydrocarbon which do not contain benzene ring but having the aromatic characters. Occurrence of benzene. Benzene is also called phenes. It is the most ideal aromatic compound and was first isolated by Michael Faraday in 1825 from cylinder of compressed illuminating gas obtained from pyrolysis of whale oil. In 1845, benzene was found in coal tar by Hoffman, and this is still a source of benzene and its derivatives. Next one is the structure of benzene. The first one is the Kekulé structure. According to Kekulé, the 6 carbon atoms of benzene are linked to each other by alternate single and double bond to form hexagonal ring as shown in picture. So these are the two Kekulé structure having carbon-carbon double bond and single bond on the adjacent carbon atom. Drawback of Kekulé structure. It is failed to explain the flowing observation. The number one, chemical reaction. Benzene does not give addition reaction and fail to decolorize the bare reagent. It is readily undergo electrophilic reaction in which benzene ring is retained. The second one is the heat of combustion. On the basis of Kekulé structure, the heat of combustion is expected to be 3449 kJ per mole, but the experimental data is 3298.5 kJ per mole. Thus, benzene has 150.5 kJ mole of energy less than the Kekulé structures. The third one is the heat of hydrogenation. On the basis of Kekulé structure, the heat of hydrogenation of benzene is expected to be 358 kilojoule per mole, but the experimental value is 208.5 kilojoule per mole. This again shows that benzene is more stable than expected from the Kekulé structure. The fourth, ortho-di substituted product. According to Kekulé, benzene form two di-substituted product, but in actual practice, benzene can form only one ortho-di substituted product. So these are the two products which are expected according to Kekulé. In this case, the second substituent, that is on the right side, and in this case it is on the left hand sides. So according to Kekulé, the benzene is expected to be having two ortho-di substituted product, which is wrong. The fifth one, carbon-carbon bond length. X-ray diffraction studies show that all the carbon-carbon bond length are identical, that is 1.397 angstrom, and lies in between that of single and double bond. This is not in accordance with the Kekulé structure, which contains two kinds of carbon-carbon double bond. The second one is the molecular orbital structure. The structure of benzene is best described by using this molecular orbital concept, in which each carbon is sp2 hybrid and thus form 3 sigma bonds, 2 with adjacent carbon atom and 1 with hydrogen. Thus all the 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom lies in the same plane, and the angle between two adjacent sigma bond is, that is 120 degree. Later spectroscopic evidence also showed that all the bond length in benzene to be equal and intermediate between single and double bond, and that is equal to 1.39 angstroms. Evidence in support of orbital structure of benzene. The first one, unusual stability. Benzene molecule exhibit unusual stability and resist the formation of addition product. This can easily be understood in terms of delocalization of pi electron, which is responsible for the aromaticity. The second one, isomer number. According to orbital concept, all the 6 carbon in benzene are completely equivalent. Similarly, all the 6 hydrogen atoms also occupy identical position. Thus, benzene should be form only one monosubstituted and 3 disubstituted product. The third one is the electrophilic substitution reaction. There are 2 continuous rings like pi electron cloud, one above and other below the plane of carbon atoms. The pi electrons are easily attacked by electrophiles, hence benzene easily undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. The third one is the resonance. According to this concept, a benzene molecule is consists of an intermediate or average structure called resonance hybrid between several structures that differ only in the placement of the valence electron. So these pictures, these are called resonance structures, conical structures, and these structures are called resonance hybrid. Characteristics of aromatic compound. It is a delocalized conjugated pi system which involves arrangement of alternating single and double bonds. It has coplanar structure with all the contributing atoms in the same plane. The contributing atom arranged in one or more rings. And the last one, the number of pi delocalized electron is equal to 4n plus 2 number of pi electron, where n that is 0 onward, and this is called Hucker rules. Isomerism in benzene derivatives. The benzene form only one monosubstituted derivative with formula C6H5Y, while it can form three isomeric disubstitution derivative with formula C6H4Y2. The first one is called ortho. It will having 1,2 substitution. The second one is the meta. It will having 1,3 substitution. And the third one is called para. It will having 1/4 substitutions. Next one is the method of preparation of benzene. First one, that is from phenol. In this case, when phenol is distilled with zinc dust, the phenol give benzenes. So phenol that is treated with zinc, and it will get converted into benzenes. The second one, that is from benzoic acid. When sodium salt of benzoic acid is heated with soda lime, decarboxylation will take place, and it will give the final product, that is the benzenes. The third one, from acetylenes. When acetylene gas is passed through red hot tube, it will undergo trimerization to form the benzenes. So in this case, 3 molecule of acetylene is react. The next one is from benzene sulfonic acid. When benzene sulfonic acid is heated with dilute HCl at temperature 423 to 473 Kelvin, it will undergo desulfonation to give benzenes. The next one, from benzene diazonium chloride. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with sodium stannate in alkaline medium, it will converted into benzenes. The next one is from petroleum, and it is industrial method. In this case, aromatic hydrocarbon are also synthesized by catalytically reforming of alkanes. In this case, N-hexane, which is obtained from the petroleum. First of all, it is undergo cyclization to give cyclohexanes. Then this cyclohexane, it is treated with this catalyst, chromium oxide, vanadium pentaoxide, and molybdenum oxide in temperature range 723 to 823 Kelvin. And this cyclohexane, it will undergo aromatization to give final product, that is benzenes. Next is the chemical properties of benzene. The first one is the halogenation. In this case, benzene react with chlorine and bromine in the presence of catalyst iron or iron halide, and aluminium halide in the absence of light, to get chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Next one is the nitration. In this case, benzene on warming with mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 323 Kelvin, give nitrobenzene. The third one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this reaction, benzene is treated with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminium trichloride. Alkyl benzene will get formed. Similarly, Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this reaction, benzene is treated with acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, and aryl alkyl ketone will get formed. For example, when benzene is treated with acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, in this case benzaldehyde will get formed. Then sulfonation. In this case, benzene is warmed with concentrated sulfuric acid and benzene sulfonic acid will get formed. So these all are the substitution reactions, and next one is the addition reaction. It is the addition of hydrogen. When benzene vapor mixed with hydrogen and it is passed over nickel catalyst at 473 Kelvin, the benzene, it will get converted into cyclohexane. So it is the addition reaction. Then addition of halogen. Benzene in the presence of light treated with chlorine and benzene hexachloride will get formed, and it is called BHC. The next one is the addition of ozone. In this case, benzene will undergo ozonolysis. First of all, an unstable intermediate ozonide will get formed, and this ozonide is hydrolyzed with zinc dust to get the glycosol. The last reaction is oxidation, and it is a oxidation reaction. When benzene vapor mixed with air and passed over vanadium pentoxide catalyst, the benzene will get converted into maleic anhydride. So it is all about the chemical properties of benzene